Azereye! Amana man! Amana man! Amana man! Amana man! Atipo oye! Atipo oye! Mwebale mnonga. Sawa.
Nkore media niyo yonke yokushanga ebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati Nkore media vira nkore.
Hello, Seth Murari. Yeah. These are all people here. I don't have words. Thank you, God. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Murari! Murari tatswaza! Murari kundo! Murari quattro tipo! And I love you so much. I'm called Seth Murari. I love people. I love music. I love youth. I love talent. It's show to man get twenka. It's show na man gani. Nenda kweza abantara derze mononga. Promoting people. You guys tried your best. Bloggers, influencers, to everyone. Thank you so much. I want to take this special note to thank you people before anything else of Dampe Mura. Can I give you a hug, my brother? Thank you so much. Azereye! Amana man! Amana man! Amana man! Amana man! Atipo oye! Atipo oye! Mwebale mnonga. Sawa. DJ! DJ! Pull up. Abatara bansomera. Basaba sente nizumura bampitayana. Bazuma bampitafana. Kami kusoma tunasonga mbele atas. Kami kufight tunafaitina. Kami kusema usibishe. Kami kusoma na kukabili kuzionga. Kutunga nenda bagengu. Kusinzira kengu. Pull. My big brother. Okay. Guys. Hold on. Cool down. I want to tell you one thing. This peace is ushered in by NRM. Enjoy! Your president for the peace. Enjoy! We are here for President of Museveni and his cabinet. Okay, we are going now to dance up tonight. Time is limited. We are going to ask the government to extend just 7 minutes. Okay, Paul, where is he? Paul, come here. Step here. You see, kings eat on the same bread. Which is the bridge between the young generation and the old generation? Me.
Zire is the link between the young generation and the old generation.
I'm out of the game, but let him stay in the game. We promote talent and sports. God bless you. I'm going to promote him in his foundation
I'm putting 5 million. But this one is for Frank Bear. Come, my sister.
Honorable Charity.
Lastly, hold on. Listen. Muhurre, if you are listening to Nantara, Muhurre, but this is a concert for all Ugandans. Yes, for all Ugandans. I want to tell you, I have been having a team, task force team. Can you come around? President Museveni and said, told me to step down. And because of this, and the party royalty, I've stepped down. Whoever, so that our country can move forward. This is my team. This one has been heading my task force. Is a former member of First Family, and now it's a flag bearer.
Ankole Media niyo yonke yokushanga ebirungi nk'ebyo. Ankole Media, Ankole.